Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0xa00f4250 photo capture start failed, 0xc00d3ea2 error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's what you have to do. Search for camera in the Windows search bar. It's the camera app. Click on app settings in the right pane. Wait till it loads. Scroll down. Click on terminate. Now click on repair here and wait till you get a tick mark. And the next one is to click on reset and then the reset button once again. Now this should solve the problem. We don't need to uninstall and reinstall the app, but if it does not solve the problem, then you will consider uninstalling the app and then you can search for store in the Windows search bar. Click on store, search for camera here. Okay, now this one is the Microsoft camera. So we'll search for the camera application and we will reinstall the camera application. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.